All right, guys, I want to make sure that door don't close on me, lock me out. So anyway, guys, today is June the 2nd. I just left Marietta doing the screen to recoat with the UV cure. So I'm going to let the coating sit down for about 3 hours. It was about a 25-minute drive. So I'm in Marietta not Marietta, I'm in Midtown right now. I am doing a condo. It's about 900 square feet. He watched my videos. Now check this out. He said, I saw some other people, but my videos is what sold them. So I never came out and did in-home consultation. He's actually moving out and show you guys what I'm doing. I'm just doing a aggressive cleaning. Got some type of film on it. So I'm just cleaning it and then I'm gonna buff it out. So let me show you guys. All right, so again, I am in Midtown. All right, Midtown Atlanta. There's West Peachtree Street right there. All right. So let me show you guys what I'm doing. So it's almost like a vinyl luxury floor. Didn't want to go too aggressive with the cleaning because of swelling the joints, and this floor is very sensitive. So I'm just doing like a dry, wet method. So you can see real close, guys. See all that? See all that smudge? Some type of cleaning agent on the floor. Probably a high pH product that wasn't neutralized. So all through here, I did have to park. They did let me, this bedroom right here, and then over here. So you can see where I am actually doling it down, knocking that high pH cleaner remover down. If you look right here, you see right there. So that's me knocking it down, and then I'm gonna come back and clean it and then buff it out. So I'm gonna do this, guys, and then I'm gonna go back to Marietta, UV cure that floor, and then go do a consultation back in Lawrenceville. Actually booked another countertop for Friday. Lady saw me on Facebook and booked 2 more appointments for next week. So like June is gonna be a busy month, because June is actually one of our busiest months. All right, guys, check this out. So I moved the sofa out for the client. I did not move the bed, but I did slide the sofa out. And look right there, you can see the difference. Look at that big difference right there, guys. Also, too, the job I did Friday, they was out of the country, so she left me access to the house. Just wrote me a great review on Google. But guys, look at this. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. Wow, that is a huge difference. And I'm rinsing with my True Neutral. All right. Oh man, that is beautiful. Yep. All right, guys, let me go ahead and finish this out. Stay tuned. All right, guys, look how much better those floors look now. I did put a like a matte sealer on it, like a top protection, not a polyurethane, because this floor was really dried out. It just had, I mean, if I just would have buffed it out, it just would have looked like just dull. So I at least put a little protection on it, try to give it some life. Again, he's just putting this on the market, just make it look good. But guys, oh man, this floor looks so much better. And I also did back here as well, so I'm not gonna walk on here. So I'm gonna work myself out, and then I'm gonna get back to this Marietta job and UV cure their floor. And my consultation for tomorrow, we rescheduled, for today, I rescheduled them for tomorrow. Yeah, so all right, guys, that's gonna do it. All right, see you in the next one.